Oh my god. Please give me some thunder. Glad your cat's not outdoors, cat, huh? Actually, this would be perfect for some thunder. The rain is heavy enough for actually being some thunder in it. But I do wonder how in the hell I'm gonna be sleeping with all this noise. Good morning, guys. The clock is 10 minutes to 6 and I am on the way on the ferry. Well, the clock is almost a quarter to 12. And I got off work 11:30, or commenced 11:30, so we just managed to get on the ferry. I am also gonna I can't speak today. I'm gonna change my game plan for now, because remember yesterday I said that my kilometer cable do not work anymore. Well, after I ended the blog, I called the guys in Skive about it, and they said I'm coming today or I can come in Monday. That wouldn't be a problem, and it would be a 700 to get a computer on it and check everything. I said, alright, it will have to be Monday probably, because I don't think I'll get early enough off work tomorrow. I did get off work early enough, so I just called them and they are expecting me in 45 minutes. And when that's done, I am gonna head home and get all of this done. I need to go and get that printed, so I have all the copies I need. Then it's back to the list of all the things I need to do to this weekend. Alright. Apparently the entire system in my car is wanky. So we agreed on another time, and then I am gonna be in here and he's gonna have the car for some hours, and then we're gonna figure out what in the heck that's wrong. If they need some new things to the car, then that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, just have to take things one at a time. But I am gonna head down and get some Pokestops, and then I am heading home. Yes, I know. I guess I'll have to close the door now. Because it's raining in. What? Yes, Mommy? It's okay. Mommy's not going anywhere for the rest of the day. I promise. No going anywhere. At least until I'm going to bed. Nope, not on the table. Meow. Meow. Kitty. Hey. All the cats are coming running. Well, the clock is almost 3. Almost. Guys. Come on. Liam. Hi, Kiki. And I am gonna do montage for the rest of the evening. Because I want that done, so I only have the clip for today I need to do. So yeah, that's what I want to do. I didn't expect to have to spend almost an entire day in there around the 30s in this month. Maybe simply because that's actually the day I'm supposed to edit the montage and at least get it uploaded. But beggars can be choosers, isn't that how the saying goes? So, come on. No, Mommy, I know what you want. I know what you want. I know exactly what you want. So I'm not coming over there. And that goal the floor needs to be vacuumed. It's on my list to do. Such a beautiful cat. Such a beautiful one. But I am ending the blog here. I can't speak today. I'm ending the blog here because I can't speak. I want to do the montage and I am dead tired. I was actually sitting and falling asleep in my chair yesterday after I ended the blog. And I don't know if I'm going to work tomorrow. So I want to get so much done as possible tonight. That include montage, shower, scooping the cat poo, maybe doing some dishes. Yeah. And to be honest, I really shouldn't go to the recycling center when I don't have any knowledge of what my speed limit is in the car. So that may actually be pushed a little bit. Oh, I could just whisk it. I don't know. I'm gonna take a breather on that one and just think about it. So good night, guys, and thank you for watching. Sorry that today has been such a not much happening day, but I don't have it in me for the rest of the day to be active in any physical way. So see you tomorrow.